Hi everybody, how are you? I just wanted to make a quick video just to let you know that I am going to have to change my upload schedule probably for the entire month of September. It might not go the whole month of September, but I am suspecting that maybe it'll go the whole month of September. Yeah, I'm between me being sick from, you know, the COVID a couple weeks ago and trying to get back on track and trying to catch up and work schedule and the fact that it is freaking hot where I live. I can't work out in my shed right now. It's just too hot, and just all sorts of things have put me further and further behind. I haven't done any good, had time to do any drawing again for another week. I'm just behind. Just FYI, honestly, just behind. So between that, I do have a few videos that I've made, but I don't have enough to do 3 days a week. So I'm gonna switch it up to 2 days a week. I'm gonna do Mondays. I'm gonna still stay on Monday, and instead of doing Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I'm gonna do Monday, Thursday for probably the month of September. Or this last week of August and the month of September. Anyway, I just want to let you guys know I'm not gone. I've just changed my schedule a little bit. I'll be back to 3 days a week once things settle down and once the heat has dissipated from my studio. Right now, it's well over 100 degrees outside and it's like 95 in the studio. And I just have a cheap, really inefficient air conditioner out there that really just can't keep up with heat like that. It's fine when the temperatures are in the 90s outside and it can make my my studio in the low 80s, but when it's well over 100, my studio just can't. It's like 90, 95 in there, and I don't want to waste the electricity trying to cool it off any more than that. It's not working. So I've had to move into the house, so my acoustics isn't right. I don't have all my supplies. I keep having to run in and out. And it's a big thing. This is a long story to just let you know that I'm fine. Everything's fine. I'm just going to change my upload schedule for a little while, and we'll be back to normal later. I've just noticed that the phone that I keep outside in my studio as my extra phone, the battery has popped open, which means it got way hot and it has ruined the battery for this phone. So that's not a good either. I'm going to have to take care of that. And I'll see you on whichever day you're going to see the next video. I'm not even sure at this point. I'll see you later. Bye.